back to another vlog. So I'm on my way to Go Hotels Office Manila na for the left side with for the makeup sale. I wasn't able to vlog earlier kasi nagmadali ako ng bongga. I stayed in Met for like 1 hour. Nagising ko lang 10. Gumalaw ko ng 11. So anyway, when I get there, I'm gonna be setting up na right away. I'm texting my sisters because they're gonna be there as well. So basta 1 PM mag-open yung doors natin for the sale. So yeah, very simple lang, makeup here. Nagdala nga ako ng baon kasi pa ako nakain. Dala ko ng orange, tsaka napasa na i-cook yesterday. Dala ko rin siya sa bag. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Here is a before I let the girls in. Ang dami-dami. So that's a before. We'll see what happens after a few hours. I'm going to enjoy my brunch first, guys, because it's already 12:45 pa lang. I'm gonna let them in at 1 PM, so I still have time to eat. Yay! Look who's here! It's Bae! Hi, Bae! Hello! Ano oras na? 2:44 na. Sobrang konti na lang natira. So, thank you so much to everyone who came. I love it. At meron pang mga girls. Hi, girls! Hi! O, diba? They're taking their time. Okay lang yan. Miss Isa. Hi, Sa! Kasi Diti. Diti! Ayan. Meron tayong package from, sino to, Sa? L'Oreal? Revlon? Oh no. Oo. Sino? Wala naman. Wait, baka mahulog. Oo, nakita. More gloss. Yay! So, I'm gonna do videos on this. Ano ba to? Ultra HD Lip Lacquer. Oh my god, this is so pretty. For what? May card ba? Here. We're almost done, guys. As in, sobrang empty na yung mga tables. What's your name? We have Anne! Bongga si Anne. May secret kami ni Anne. Kung gusto mo yung secret natin, ah? Yes. Anyway, eto na, guys. Wala nang laman ng table. Wala na. Thank you so much to everyone who came. Thank you for giving. This is sad. True. Ayan, wala nang laman ng table. Wala na. Bongga. Thank you. We're trying out Zigla. Ano siya, girl? Fresh, healthy, organic. Ayan, bongga. Zigla. Here you go. There. Buffalo wrap. Buffalo wrap. See nga. First impression. Oh my gosh. Okay. Tingnan natin to. Mushroom cheese. Oh yeah. Yeah? We're here at Lombardi's for dinner. We're waiting for Tasha and Kay. Hey! I may or may not have fun makeup. Bakit tayo binili mo, girl? I'm wearing it right now. Siya lang, lipstick tsaka ng blush. I got Velvet Diddy. Before kami ate, and then I got a blush in, what is this? This is Blush Baby. Girl. Perfect for ever done. My first ever MAC blush. Love it. Pizza! Nami, cheese. What's that, girl? Mushroom truffle. Wow, mushroom truffle. Hi Tash! Hi Kay! Bongga. Risotto. Yummy, guys. Risotto. Oh my gosh. Go! True. 150. Finally home, guys. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna end the vlog na para maka-edit na ako agad and then makatulog na rin ako. Nag-breakout ako, oh. Isa lang. Anyway, yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I really thank everyone for coming to the makeup sale. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. So, yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!